Hey, what's up? I'm Courtney, also known as Self-Care Creature, and I work with creative individuals to help you deepen your intuition, raise your self-worth, and spread your awareness so that you can live a truly fulfilled and empowered existence. Today, I want to talk to you about the Base Kit program. The Base Kit program is a program that I designed many years ago. It may have been in 2017 that I put it together, and it comes from a series. So I'm a personal trainer. I've been a certified personal trainer since 2012. I got my degree in culinary arts, and the next thing I did was be a personal trainer because I thought that I wanted to be a personal chef and trainer to families. Never really went down that route, but that's okay. I learned about functional movement and injury prevention. I became very passionate about it, and like full circle all these years later realizing that like healing is in and through the body, healing trauma, learning how to be with your body and be in your body and be comfortable and say goodbye, diet culture, fuck you. I'm learning how to be with myself. That's the full circle moment. Because when I started as a personal trainer, of course, I was completely engulfed in all of the diet culture, physique bullshit. So, the Base Kit program, it's a compilation of, as a personal trainer, I used to start with every single client the exact same way, taking them through this particularly structured process to be able to understand where their body is at, what they're capable of, and it was just kind of some basic things. And because I was doing that with so many people, I was like, how can I break this down in a way that could be applicable for all people, could still be safe if I'm not able to see people one-on-one and be with them, because that already gives me a scare. And it's also, I have to learn how to trust other people and trust them to know themselves and all of that goodness. So it really is, the Base Kit program is a breakdown from this little foundational structure that I had as a personal trainer, and I've turned it into a 3-week program. So it's 5 days a week, 6 days if you want to account for a 10-minute core on the core day on the 6th day. It's about a 20 to 30 minute workout. 20 to 40 minutes depending on the day and your speed per day. And it takes into account all of these different variations. So like resting and what you're working on in your body. And it really starts you nice and slow so that you can build up over the 3 weeks and really create this amazing physical foundation for yourself. We talk about self-care in the way of learning self-acceptance, knowing what your values are, how to show up and support yourself. The Base Kit program is kind of like the physical way of building a foundation for that self-care lifestyle. There's so many different layers of the self-care stuff. So I'm inviting you to join me in this, and I'm thinking that we will start on Monday, February 15th, because February we are reclaiming as Self-Love Month. Not to put a bad taste in your mouth about self-love, it's just working towards more self-acceptance. That's really all it is. You know, because fuck the hallmarks, fuck Valentine's Day, fuck monogamous, hetero, standard relationships, okay? Like, gender construction just gets in the way. That is like my favorite line from this song I've been obsessed with lately, The Future is Female by Madame Gandhi. Look it up. Basically, I'm inviting you to come and get back in your body, learn how to be comfortable. We're going to do a live Zoom workout on Monday mornings at 8 a.m. So if you are a part of the online membership space, in the middle tier, the Expand membership, you get access to this live workout class. And if you are part of the Bloom membership, the $8 per month membership, you get access to the recording. It will be recorded. That Monday, that live workout will get recorded and put in. If you want access to the entire program, it's that middle Expand tier, which is currently only $24 a month. And you get locked into that low rate forever. No hidden fees, cancel anytime, all of that goodness. The Base Kit program is also a PDF download, so you can have it available on your phone. Here's my imaginary phone in my hand looking at the program on there, which is nice. I did record the full workout, so you can there are follow along videos in the Expand membership in the functional movement course. They're just honestly really shitty quality because, I mean, I'm still recording on my laptop to this day, just doing the best that I can with what I have. But if you are interested in learning how to get comfortable in your body, having more self-confidence, more self-acceptance, you think it would be entertaining to work out with me, to watch me get my own ass kicked, if you really want in real time learning these modifications and how to listen to your body, I'm inviting you to come join me. And this is the first time I think that I'm really feeling like I've been really resistant to exercise and movement for quite a few years now, especially coming back from disordered eating habits and really realizing just how ingrained everything is in designed to keep especially women, but just people in general, small and in like self-conscious and all of that. We're breaking through these barriers. We're stepping up. We're going to shift our shit through the Base Kit program starting February 15th. If you're in, let me know.